Welcome to Pimpin' Diaries, episode 2. Alright, so just wanted you guys to see that I'm not even dressed. I still got 20 miles to go. It's 8:30. It was 8:26. Like 2 minutes since I shot the last video. And I'm bored. I need to have fun, you know, somehow. And yeah, there is nothing around. I'm not dressed. I came out the house running. I was like, you know, wait a minute, I'm not even gonna get dressed. I'm just gonna go like this. Then I got some Asian lady driving right next to me. She Aisha. Damn, man. Like, she's parallel to me, man. So it's like, I might just, like, I can't slip up, you know, because if she slips up, then yeah, maybe she'll hit me. If I slip up, then I'm fuck. Anyhow, I'll be at work in hopefully less than 30 minutes because I still got to get there and actually change. So, yeah. Well, I wish I could switch my phone back over so you guys can see the landscape. There is nothing but tumbleweed and stuff. Like what? What? Damn, man, my nose looks bigger than it is. Fuck this shit.